everyone, it's Emily with Elephant Shoe Corner. Today I'm making a Halloween card with a night sky and a glowing moon. To make that moon, I'm going to use a masking technique. I have a full stick sticky note and a 2.5 inch punch. I'm going to punch my moon mask from that. I did put some cardstock on the back of that sticky note just to make it easier to punch. The sticky note alone was a little bit too thin, so the cardstock gave it some extra weight. I'm putting that sticky note on my cardstock where I want the moon to be. And then I'm using Fun Stampers Journey Beach Ball ink. It's a blue ink. And then I'm putting that on my card with my blending brushes from Amazon. You can see as I'm blending the blue ink onto the cardstock, I'm going right over that mask that we placed for our moon. The purpose of the mask is to protect the cardstock underneath, so I can blend the blue ink and then eventually the black ink over top of that mask. And when I peel up the mask, it will still be white cardstock underneath of it. So we can put the yellow down for the moon without it having black and blue on it as well. And there you can see I'm done with the blue ink. I'm going to clean my brush and move on to the next color, which is black licorice, which is also a Fun Stampers Journey ink. I'm starting around the edges with the black ink because I would like the edges to be darker and around the moon to be a little bit lighter. I want the moon to look like it's glowing, so I want there to be a little bit of blue showing through around the moon, and then eventually I'll put the yellow on and have the yellow go around the outside of the moon too to give it the glowing effect that I'm looking for. So I'm just moving around the card, putting the black ink on there, and I'm starting with the edges and I'm going over the edges a few times to make it darker. And once I have the sky how I like it, I peel off the mask, and you can see I have a perfect white circle. So now I'm going to use Lemon Drop from Fun Stampers Journey and another one of my Amazon blending brushes. I tap the brush off on the side because I don't want the ink to be too dark to start with. I want to gradually make it darker. Then I go off the edges of the moon because I do want it to glow. So you just want to ink up the moon as dark as you want it. I wanted it a little bit darker than I had it, so I added some more ink. And I'm really going around the edges to make it look like it's glowing. And now I have my Stampin' Up! Stamparatus back from when I was a demonstrator. I also have a Misty, but I didn't get it out today. I'm going to put Happy Halloween Sentiment and then this cute little bat. These are from the Hey Boo stamp set from Fun Stampers Journey. You can see that on the side where there's a pumpkin, a boo, a cat. It has a lot of cute little images on this stamp set. I ink it up a couple of times because the black wasn't as solid as I wanted it, so I do it a couple of times. Now that I have it where I like it, I take it off, and you can see a cute little card. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it to my black cardstock using my Advanced Tape Glider from Scotch. Well, first I have to clean off my desk. And there you go, an adorable Halloween card. And then I ended up putting in a white panel on the inside since it's a black card. Obviously you can't write in it, so I wanted to have a white panel inside. And there it is. If you like this video, please subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you.